Good morning, just about to set off to Northwich. We've some window manifestations to install today. I am glad I'm working inside because it is absolutely lashing it down and blowing a hoolie. I haven't surveyed this job. First time I've been there, the customer sent me some videos down of the offices and what windows need doing, so I've cut some manifestations for it and we're going to have a good go. So fingers crossed. I've estimated this one right, but we'll do some videos. Didn't do any videos of the production because it's cut in circles. You've seen the cut. So yeah, wish me luck. The day starts with the typical M6 traffic, not helped by the weather today. We're looking at about an hour and a half's journey down to Northwich. Weather's picked up when we arrived there, and then it's jump inside and make a start on the offices. First job is to set the level for the bottom line. Building regs stipulates that these need to be between 850 and 1000 mil. So I start applying the bottom line and moving the laser along, keeping the laser on the same baseline as the previous ones, so they're all in a nice straight line. There's the customer spotting the camera, can't help but make an appearance. So once the bottom line's all applied, I then start positioning the top ones. These need to be located between 1400 and 1600 mil. As well as using the laser for the top line, I just double check that they're parallel to the bottom as a belt and braces. And then I can start removing the application tape, just leaving the dots. And again, the customer can't help but join in. I don't think he'll be changing careers anytime soon. So just finish removing the tape. And there we go, that's the upstairs offices done. Didn't do any video of the downstairs, but there we go, 2 rows of manifestations on the 3 doors. Job's complete. About 3 hours on site today doing that installation. Well worth spending a little bit of time going through in production, just making sure all the weed borders and the spacings are equal so I can butt each of the bits up. That certainly speeded things up. Yeah, things I'd have done differently. If I'd have had the measurements for the panels, I could have done them each panel. They'd have been spaced. The building's up for sale. It was just picked up by building control that there was no manifestation, so they're on there now. The sale of the building can continue and go through. So now probably about an hour's journey back and go and catch up on some admin.